Alright, we're doing an obstacle course. And the purpose of how to play is, but you play by trying to get to the other side as fast as you can without hitting the obstacles. We made a trivia question at the end. If you get it wrong, you get splashed with water. If you get it right, you will be spared. Rules: stay in your lane, wait your turn, be careful, do not trip, and please no roughness, play fair, and have fun. You need to know, if you do not want water poured on you, that is just fine. We will not pour any water on you. Safety rules: don't bump into the person that is running with you, and if you do, you will be out of the game. Please do not bump into any of the obstacles because it is part of how you play this game for your safety. It is also for your safety. How we made it more challenging. Right before we did the mini presentation yesterday, we added some bean bags. The bean bags make it more challenging by having to focus more and try to keep your balance. What you do during the game. You run as fast as you can through the course to the end, and there will be a trivia question. It will be pretty easy to newcomers, but if you play again, the questions get harder, so you might want to wear a swimsuit. If you are brave enough, you do not have to bring a swimsuit. Consequences if you break the rules. You will be given a second chance, but if you break the rules again, you will be kicked out. Forever. Alright. Spencer is going to read the materials.
So, game 1, process 1 times 2, the people will be 2. Okay? We'll have 3, and we'll have 8 tires, and 2 beans, 1 lamp, 9 sticks, and 2 holes. For game 2, the process will be 2 times 2, people will be 4. For game 3, the process is 3 times 2, and the people will be 6. For game 4, it will be 4 times 2, and we will 6. For game 5, it will be 5 times 2, and 2. For game 6, it will be 6 times 2, and 12. For game 7, it will be 7 times 2, and 14 people. And for game 8, it will be 16 people, and times 2. For game 14, it will be 14 times 2, and 28 people.
Alright, Todd is going to read our schedules.
Internet problems.
Internet problems. The squid things. Here it is. Zoom. Alright, there we go.
Alright, in game 1, we'll start at 8 o'clock, and at end time, it will be 5 minutes. So the end time will be 8:05. How much time has passed since game 1? 5 minutes. Game 2 we'll start at 8:05, and it'll go to 8:10, which will be 5 minutes during the beginning and end of the game. And 10 minutes have passed from 8 o'clock. And at game 3, it'll start at 8:10. It'll start at 8:10, and 5 minutes will pass before the game ends at 8:15. 15 minutes have passed from the beginning. At game 4, it will be 8:15 to 8:20, 5 minutes from start to end the game, and 20 minutes have passed.
the game will start at 8:20 and end at 8:25. And how much time has passed since game 1 will be 25 minutes. And it goes at this pattern till the start, toward the end time. It's always 5 minutes ahead of the start time. And how much time has passed in game 1 will be always be equal with the game time when the game ends.
Okay. In sheet 2, we didn't get to finish, so Javon will just try to count up in sevens.
So here's where you have to add 7 minutes in case we want to lose or something. So the game started at 8 o'clock, and the game would end at 8:07. And the game started at 8:05, it would end. Well, for game 1, it would be if this game started at 8 o'clock, the end time would be 8:07. And 5 minutes have passed since the start of the game to the end of the game, plus 2 minutes. Whatever. In game 2, the game will start at 8:05, and it will go up 7 minutes, be 8:12, and it would end. How many minutes?
What do you want?
Game 2,
8:14.
it would have been 8:12, which means 12 minutes would have been since the start of the game. So the start of game 1. And then game 3, the game will start at 8:10, and it'll end at 8:17, and it'll have been 17 minutes since the beginning of game 1.
So it just keeps going.
And it keeps going up plus 7, and then the end time is always going to be equal to the time that passed since the start of the game.
Alright, Javon's gonna show the diagram.
Okay, so here we have the key. Here we measure things in inches. So 1 inch would be 10 yards. So going here would be 5 inches, that's 50 yards. And over here is 10 inches, that equals 100 yards. That equals like how big our area for our object